continuously write data from a list into a CSV file. I'm trying to get my Python script to keep writing to a .csv file, and I'm quite the beginner when it comes to Python. I've tried to follow this person which has a similar problem, but without success. Writing list of strings to Excel CSV file in Python. I'm currently trying to save a list of sensor data containing temperature, humidity, and a time. The code currently look like this. The error I'm getting is this: interval expected, not int. So the first data values is stored in an int, I assume? I'm used to Java where you define types, but here you just type the variable, so yeah. I've tried writer.writeRow, sensor data, and it works then, but as you might already expect, it just writes a single row of data. The rest of the code is running in a while true loop where it keeps storing data into the list. How do I get this function to keep writing to my CSV file, adding more and more as my loop keeps running? The getSensorData function.
The writeRows method of the CSV module expects a nested list where each inner list represents the data for a single row. In your case, passing a flat list, it instead finds an int value at the 0th index where it's instead expecting the inner list for the first row. That explains the error message. So you should instead be using writeRow each time you call your method. However, opening the file in write mode, W, will delete all the contents of the file each time. Therefore, you need to open the file in append mode. A toy example.
If you want to help, please consider looking inside.